'Cause I'm TNT, I'm dynamite. TNT, and I'll win the fight. TNT, I'm a power load. TNT, watch me explode.
Plutonium was discovered at the University of California in 1940 by Glenn T. Seaborg. Plutonium's atomic number is 94 and its atomic weight is 244. Plutonium is a solid at room temperature and it's one of the intertransitional metals. Plutonium is synthetically formed by the deuteron bombardment of uranium-238. This then forms neptunium-238, which after 2 days deteriorates into plutonium-238. Nuclear fission only occurs in even-numbered isotopes of plutonium, of which there are 7. Nuclear fission is used to form plutonium-240. Less than 7% plutonium-240 equals
The bomb that you just witnessed is actually 1/120 millionth of what an actual plutonium detonation is like. Plutonium has a long history of being used as a weapon. On May 12, 1945, President Franklin Delano Roosevelt signed into action the Manhattan Project. The Manhattan Project was significantly supported by physicist Albert Einstein. Einstein said that with the new theories of physics that were coming out at the time, weapons of mass destruction could be achieved. The Manhattan Project was headed by Dr. Robert. The first atomic weapon was tested at Alamogordo, New Mexico. This weapon was a plutonium implosion type device. This device means that there were layers of high explosives that were fired into a plutonium core. The blast radius of this device was over 1,200 feet, and it scorched the sand of the desert to glass. The Manhattan Project produced 2 fully functional atomic weapons, Little Boy, which was a uranium gun type device, and Fat Man, which was a plutonium implosion type device. Little Boy was dropped on Hiroshima on August 6, 1945, and Fat Man was dropped on Nagasaki on August 9, 1945. The blasts from each of these atomic weapons, immediately or over the next few years to come, killed over 100,000 people. Man, my heart is really racing. Did you know that in the 1950s, plutonium was used as a pacemaker battery? It was discontinued shortly after this because of radiation leaks.
I've paid my dues, time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes